Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update your PayPal phone number. This is an important change to make whenever you stop using an old number or get a new mobile connection. If you need to change the phone number linked to your PayPal account, the process is quick and straightforward. Keeping your phone number updated is important because it can be used for account security, verification, and receiving important notifications. An accurate number can also help you receive login codes and recover access if you ever have trouble signing in. So, if you've switched numbers or simply want to make sure your information is current, here's how to do it. Start by signing into your PayPal account. For security, use the official PayPal website or mobile app and avoid opening your account through unfamiliar links. Once you're on the main account screen, look toward the top right-hand corner and click the gear icon. This will take you into your account settings, where you can manage personal details and other account preferences. The layout may look slightly different, depending on whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, but the settings option should be easy to identify. After that, select the Account tab. This section contains your basic account information, including contact details like your phone number. Take a moment to look through the available options until you find the Phone Number section. You may see more than one number if you've previously added both a primary and secondary contact number. Next to your current number, you should see an option labeled Change. Click on that to begin updating your phone number. You'll then be asked to enter your new phone number. If PayPal offers the option to add a new number rather than change the existing one, you may need to add and verify the new number before removing the old one. Make sure you type it in carefully and double-check that the number is correct before continuing. Remember to select the correct country code, especially if your new number is registered in a different country. This is especially important because PayPal will use this number for verification and may also use it for security alerts or sign-in confirmation. Entering the wrong number could prevent you from receiving the code needed to complete the update. Once you've entered the new number, PayPal will send a one-time passcode, also called an OTP, to that phone. Check your messages, then enter the code exactly as received to verify the number. These codes normally expire after a limited amount of time, so enter it promptly and never share it with anyone. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and make sure your phone has signal and can receive text messages. It's also a good idea to confirm that you entered the number correctly. You can check the country code, remove any unnecessary spaces, and use the resend option if one is available. Avoid requesting several codes too quickly, because only the most recently issued code may work. After the OTP is accepted, your new phone number will be verified and updated on your account. At that point, the change is complete. Return to the phone number section and confirm that the new number appears correctly. You should also check whether it has been marked as your primary number, especially if more than one number remains connected to the account. As a quick tip, after updating your number, it's worth reviewing your account details to make sure everything else is up to date as well. Check your email address, home address, security preferences, and linked payment methods while you're already in the settings area. Keeping your contact information accurate can help avoid login issues and make account recovery much easier in the future. And that's all there is to it. That's how to update your PayPal phone number. Once the new number is verified, it can be used for future security checks, notifications, and account recovery when needed.